Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to wrap text in Microsoft Excel. So we are having this, let's say this text, and it exceeds the width of the cell, as you can see. So how to move the extra bits of the text to a new line within a cell. So this is what wrapping any text means. It means that you have to move the extra bits of the text within a cell to a new line. So the value stays within that cell. So you just have to go to wrap text and then just click on it, and the extra bits will go to a new line within a cell. So very easy thing to do. And suppose you're having a lot of lines or rows within a column which exceeds the width. In that case, you can select the column and then click on wrap text, and all the rows will have their text wrapped. So like all the text will go to a new line within their respective cells. So they won't go to a new cell or something. They will stay there within that cell but to a new line. So it improves the readability, and at times you are constrained with the amount of width you can have for the cell, and that is when you wrap the text. And yeah, this should be a very handy feature for you when you're using Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.